How to add your birthday to your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your birthday to your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on edit. And now you're gonna find birthday, click on it. And here you can choose or you can select your birthday, wherever you want. Once you are done, click on save. Once you go back, you're gonna find your birthday information on your profile. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.